Environmental effects. Environmental effects are also considered as exceptions to the Mendelian inheritance. The phenotype of an organism not only depends on the genetic makeup or the genotype it has, but it also depends on which environment that organism has developed. So there is a strong interaction between the genotype and the phenotype. There are some genotypes which have strong effect by the environment where it is growing. Although scientists agree that there is a strong relationship between the genotype and the phenotype, but there is a debate and controversy that which of them has much role in the expression of the phenotype, whether the genotype has more effect for the expression of a phenotype or there is a strong involvement of the environment. Although there are some diseases which are purely genetic where there is no role of the environment for their expression or for their incidence, but there are some other diseases in which both a genetic makeup or genes as well as environment, they both have the role in the or the involvement of the environment as well as gene for incidence of those diseases. If we take the examples of the environmental effects, the best examples are of the coat color in Arctic foxes as well as in Himalayan rabbits, and the third example can be of the Siamese cats. Here we can see that how the environment affects the color of the Arctic fox. If the temperature is more than 30, then the color of the fox changes into brown. But if the temperature is less than 33, the color of the Arctic fox during the winter, it is white. So there is a strong impact of the environment over the color of the fox fur. The second example is of Himalayan rabbits as well as Siamese cat. Both these two types of animals, they have changed, they have impact by the environment where they are growing. Due to the environment effect, their fur can be changed into brown or black, and if the environment suits, then their fur comes into the original shape, that is white. The third example of the environmental effect is of a plant. The name of the plant is hydrangea. If the hydrangea plant is of two types, it depends according to the pH of the soil. It can be pink in color and it can be in blue in color. If the soil of the pH is suits, it is in pink color, it can change into the blue color. So these are all examples of the environment. Environment has strong impact for certain traits, and there is a strong relationship between the genotype and the phenotype.